Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome also to my viewers in TikTok. So in this video presentation, we will discuss on how to construct the probability distribution table. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Let us discuss first the random variable before we construct with the probability distribution table. Because random variable is one of the important elements in constructing the probability distribution table. So random variable is a variable that is used to quantify the outcome of a random experiment. So the possible values of a random variable are determined by chance. For example, if I'm going to toss a coin, then let x represent the number of heads as the result of this experiment, then x is our random variable. Okay, so let us now do the experiment. So our experiment would be to toss the coin thrice. So in our first toss, the possible outcome could be head or tail. The second toss is also could be head or could also be tail. Head or tail. The third toss could also be head, could also be tail. Okay. So head, tail, head or tail. Okay. So next is our outcome. Next number of head. Okay. So our outcome, we have 3 heads. Head, head, head. Next, head, head, tail. Next, we have head, tail, head. We have head, tail, tail. We have tail, head, head, then tail, head, tail, 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 head, and tail, tail, tail. Okay, so there are 8 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So let us count the number of head. We have 3 heads. We have 2 heads. Another 2 heads. Then 1 head. Then 2 heads. 1, 1, and 0. So we can make now the probability distribution after this experiment. Okay, so this is our x, the first row. We have values of x, which is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Next is our probability of its values of x. So the probability that we could get 0 is 1 over 8. Okay, because there are only 1 0. So the probability that we could get 1 is 3 because there are 3 1. Next, the probability that we could get 2 is also 3 out of 8. The probability that we could get 3 is 1. So 1 over 8. So why 1 over 8? We have 8 in our denominator because there are 8 outcomes. Okay, so that is how to construct the probability distribution table. So I hope that you learned from this video presentation. Thank you for watching.